Planner 5D versus Floorplanner. Which one should you be using to design your space? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare Planner 5D and Floorplanner, two home design tools that let you plan layouts, try out furniture, and see how everything fits, so you can pick the one that actually works for your project. Let's start with Planner 5D. It's great if you want a simple, visual way to design rooms or apartments. You can draw walls, add furniture, and switch between 2D, 3D, and even VR views. Perfect for beginners or people who want to play around with room ideas without getting too technical. Now let's talk about Floorplanner. This one is more focused on floor plans and interior layouts, especially for real estate, rentals, or professionals. It has clean tools for drawing rooms, adding measurements, and sharing with clients or contractors. If you're designing for others or need precise layouts, Floorplanner might feel more polished. So which one is better? If you're redesigning your own space and want something fun and easy, go with Planner 5D. If you're a designer, agent, or someone who needs accurate floor plans and clean visuals, Floorplanner might be the better choice. Both are solid, just built for different kinds of projects. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.